strength of a soldier will always be rooted in integrity, discipline, and honor. These are the values forged within you through difficult times, through moments of exhaustion, times of doubt, missed celebrations with family, silent struggles that only you and your comrades truly understand. As you take your oath today, remember that your loyalty is not to any political interest, not to any individual, nor any passing ideology. Your loyalty must always remain with the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Throughout this mission, carry with you the honor code instilled in you by the Academy. Never lie, never cheat, never steal, and never tolerate those who do. Because silence in the face of wrongdoing is a betrayal of your values, a betrayal of your country, and a betrayal of the very principles that you have sworn to defend. Along the way, you will encounter a lot of forks in the road that will test your resolve, placing you in situations where you must choose between difficult options. But as long as you remain faithful to our flag and committed to serving our citizens, you will never lose direction. Do this to also honor your upper-class superiors, your mentors, instructors, your parents, families, and loved ones, all those who believed in you throughout this demanding yet rewarding journey. Bilang inyong Commander-in-Chief, naniniwala ako sa inyong kakayahan. Naniniwala ako na tapat kayong maglilingkod sa kapwa ninyong Pilipino at sa ating inambayan. Today, I share with you the noble duty of protecting the Filipino people. Let us continue marching towards a more secure, peaceful, and stronger bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Talang Dangal Class of 2026. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.